The best spaces in a home aren't always the most formal. They're the ones that people are naturally drawn to again and again. Game rooms in homes have evolved over time. They're no longer just a single-purpose space for one activity. Today, they're designed to support a variety of uses, from entertainment to relaxation to gathering with family and friends. At AV Architects and Builders, we design and build custom homes, which gives us a clear perspective on how spaces like this can be integrated to support both daily life and social use. When designed thoughtfully, a game room becomes more than just a feature. It becomes a destination within the home. Start with how the space will be used. The most important decision is not what goes into the room, it is how the room will be used. Some game rooms are centered around pool or table games, video games, watching sports or movies, or just hanging out. Understanding the primary purpose helps define layout, size, and how the space connects to the rest of the home. Zoning the space. Many successful game rooms include multiple activities. Instead of trying to do everything in one open area, it helps to create zones. For example, a central game table area, a lounge or seating zone, a media or display area. This allows different activities to happen simultaneously without competing for space. Connection versus separation. Where the game room is located within the home matters. Some are designed as part of the main living areas, and others are in the basement or slightly removed to create a more dedicated environment. Both approaches work, but the decision should reflect how often the space is used and by whom. This balance between connection and separation shapes the overall experience. Designing for flexibility. A well-designed game room can evolve over time. What starts as one type of use may shift as needs change. Furniture, layout, and open space should allow for that flexibility. This keeps the room relevant and ensures it continues to be used. The best game rooms are not defined by the number of features. They are defined by how the space feels and how naturally it supports the way it's used. When the design is intentional, the room becomes a place people return to often, not just occasionally. If you are thinking about designing a home and want spaces that support both everyday living and how you spend your time together, we would love to explore that with you. You can reach us through our contact page in the description below. For more insight to thoughtful home design and how different spaces function within a home, visit our Learning Center. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected with more from the Residential Architects. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!